Best phones. Are you looking for the best phones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best phones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a cutting-edge smartphone designed for users seeking top-tier performance and features. It offers 256 GB of internal storage and runs on Android, providing an excellent balance of capacity and versatility. This device is unlocked, making it compatible with multiple carriers, which is ideal for users who value flexibility. A standout feature is its 200MP main camera, delivering stunningly detailed and vibrant photos. Paired with 100x space zoom, it excels at capturing distant subjects with clarity, making it perfect for photography enthusiasts. The camera system also includes advanced AI for enhanced photo quality and scene optimization, ensuring excellent results in various conditions. The edge-to-edge display enhances the visual experience, providing immersive visuals for gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Its S Pen integration makes the Galaxy S24 Ultra a productivity powerhouse, ideal for note-taking, sketching, or precise editing. Powered by a fast processor, this phone handles demanding apps, gaming, and multitasking with ease. It also features a long-lasting battery, ensuring it stays powered throughout the day, even with heavy use. The device is built with durability and innovation, maintaining Samsung's reputation for premium craftsmanship. Designed for the US market, the Galaxy S24 Ultra includes cutting-edge features for tech-savvy users. It combines a sophisticated camera setup, advanced productivity tools, and premium performance, making it one of the most appealing flagship smartphones of its generation. Number 2. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a premium foldable smartphone that offers cutting-edge technology and enhanced productivity features. With 512 GB of storage, it provides ample space for apps, media, and documents. As an unlocked Android smartphone, it ensures compatibility with various carriers for user convenience. The large foldable screen is a highlight, transforming the device into a tablet-like experience when unfolded. This design is perfect for multitasking, streaming, gaming, and productivity tasks, making it a versatile choice for users who value screen real estate. Samsung integrates advanced AI features into the Galaxy Z Fold 6, such as Circle to Search, a quick tool for finding information effortlessly. The hands-free live interpreter is a powerful feature for real-time language translation, enhancing communication during travel or multicultural interactions. Additionally, AI photo edits make it easy to enhance images with minimal effort, ensuring professional quality results. The phone is crafted with durability and innovation in mind, featuring a robust hinge mechanism for seamless folding and unfolding. Its sleek navy color adds a touch of elegance to the futuristic design. Released in 2024, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 represents the latest in Samsung's foldable technology. It comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty for peace of mind. Whether for work or entertainment, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 combines cutting-edge AI tools, a flexible display, and high-performance specifications, making it a standout choice for tech enthusiasts and productivity-focused users. Number 3. The Google Pixel 8a is a compact yet powerful Android smartphone designed to deliver a seamless and intelligent user experience. With 128 GB of storage, it provides adequate space for apps, photos, and videos, catering to everyday needs. As an unlocked device, it ensures compatibility with various carriers for added flexibility. Powered by Google AI, the Pixel 8a introduces smart features like enhanced voice recognition, real-time translations, and optimized performance. Its integration of AI ensures efficient multitasking and personalized recommendations, making daily tasks smoother and more intuitive. The advanced Pixel camera is a standout feature, offering high-quality photos in any lighting condition. Google's computational photography enhances details, colors, and clarity, while features like Night Sight and Magic Eraser provide creative control and convenience. The phone boasts a 24-hour battery life, ensuring it keeps up with busy schedules and heavy use. Whether streaming, gaming, or navigating, the Pixel 8a offers reliable performance throughout the day. Finished in a stylish bay color, the Pixel 8a combines sleek design with functional durability. It delivers a clean Android experience with regular software updates, ensuring security and the latest features. Compact, feature-rich, and AI-powered, the Google Pixel 8a is ideal for those seeking a balance of performance, innovation, and affordability. Number 4. The Google Pixel 9 is an advanced Android smartphone designed for users seeking performance, innovation, and versatility. Featuring 128 GB of storage, it offers ample space for apps, photos, and files. Being unlocked, it ensures compatibility with various carriers, providing flexibility for users. Powered by Google's latest Gemini processor, the Pixel 9 delivers fast, efficient performance and seamless multitasking. The integration of AI enhances user experiences, with smarter apps, real-time language translation, and personalized suggestions. A highlight of the Pixel 9 is its advanced camera, which combines computational photography with powerful hardware for stunning photos and videos. Features like night sight, real tone, and super residential zoom ensure excellent results in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for photography enthusiasts. The 6.3-inch Actua display offers vibrant colors, sharp visuals, and smooth responsiveness, ideal for streaming, gaming, and daily tasks. Its design prioritizes comfort and durability, with the sleek obsidian finish adding a premium touch. With a 24-hour battery life, the Pixel 9 provides reliable power for an entire day of use. Fast charging and adaptive battery technology enhance efficiency, ensuring the phone stays ready when you need it most. Combining Google's latest AI innovations, powerful hardware, and a stylish design, the Google Pixel 9 is a top-tier smartphone tailored for modern needs. Number 5. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone offering modern features and reliable performance. Equipped with 128 GB of internal storage and expandable via a 256 GB SD card, it provides ample space for apps, photos, and media. As a fully unlocked international model, it supports compatibility with major carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, and global networks, ensuring flexibility for users. The 6.5-inch AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate delivers vibrant colors and smooth visuals, enhancing the experience for streaming, gaming, and everyday use. Its responsive screen is ideal for those seeking a quality display on a budget. The phone features a 50MP primary camera, capturing sharp and detailed images in various lighting conditions. This makes it suitable for users who enjoy photography without investing in a high-end device. Powered by 5G connectivity, the Galaxy A15 ensures faster downloads, smoother streaming, and seamless online browsing. It supports dual SIM, which is particularly useful for travelers or users managing multiple numbers. The device is finished in a distinctive yellow color, adding a playful and stylish touch to its sleek design. Its inclusion of 4G VoLTE further enhances call quality and connectivity. Released in 2024, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G offers a balanced combination of performance, modern features, and affordability. It's a strong choice for users seeking a reliable, stylish smartphone with advanced connectivity and an excellent display.